Thank you for reaching FTC4 production. Welcome to the channel, the People channel. Thank you for your eternal support. Thank you for your unquestionable love. Thank you for your respect. And thank you for your subscribe. FTC4 Production is always engaged on the well-being of his community, working class people. You will never gonna find a video or a topic that will lure you into a scheme or something to make you buy or sell you anything. This is only for free intel you're finding here for the benefit of your pockets only. You'll be able to take advantage of everything you're finding here, especially for the airdrops, for the increment of your portfolio, and the best of everything for free. Having said this, let's go straight to business. Another bounty campaign. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you Tagspace. Yes, Tagspace bounty campaign. Another airdrops which you had 12 days left to complete. But before we get deeper into this campaign, let's learn a little bit more about this company. Simply go to tagspace.com/metaverse. Welcome to the future metaverse. Through mixed reality experience, create, share, monetize your own experiences. No coding required. Look at how nice. How cool. With location based on tags. I love this website. Explore and enhance your world. You can be anywhere in the world, and you can actually, give it your touch. All these add Tagspace. Tagspace is the metaverse creation platform that seamlessly merges the physical world with the virtual. With Tagspace, you can explore your world in new ways, discover new adventures while traveling, enjoy premium entertainment in your home, and create your own magical environments. After years of powering experiences for festivals, sport events, and cities, they'll soon be allowed anybody to create, share, and monetize mixed reality. Just push the button if you would like to join their beta community. Right there. Just gotta do that and you'll be able to join their beta community. Find your way. Whether you're looking for your own next coffee shop, the best local music venues, or the nearest bathroom, Tagspace navigates you in your everyday. Explore the world. Open the Tagspace map and utilize location-based content to create your own unique tour experience and engage with your surroundings in new ways. It's a very nice thing to do. It keep you busy and exactly increment your it help you to expand your creativity. That's the right word I'm trying to look for. Enjoy the show. Merge the physical and virtual worlds together to enjoy interactive experiences from concerts in your living room, yoga lessons in your bathroom, whatever you want. It's really Creators, influencers, and artists augment your world in seconds. Drag and drop mixed reality. Build your own customizable world. Create, share. See, no need to hire experts and spend racks of customer AR experiences. Just dive with your tax storm drag and drop builder and build easily customizable experiences that you can sell in three simple steps. Upload your unique static maker, upload your animation and customize, publish to the platform. Maybe you monetize out of that. It's really good. It's a very nice way of making money by creativity, doing the thing that you like the most. Go to places that you believe nobody had been before, or many people haven't been before, and apply your little touch on that little corner, and you can monetize by doing beautiful art. I think it's a very nice way of doing money, making money. I strongly recommended it. Um, go for it. Anyways, now that you already know what this is about, going back to the bounty. The bounty campaign is live. As you can see in the top right corner section, there are 12 days left, so you have plenty of time to play with this. Simple rules, great rewards. Bounty campaign prize funds is 3,000 USD tether. It's technically speaking $3,000 around there. It's gonna be used 20 USD tether for 100 random impact participants, plus 500 USD tether for the top 3 referral, which is gonna be split in the following: 250 for the first top referral, 150 for the second top referral, and 100 USD tether for the third top referral, plus 100 USD tether for the 5 best participants for executing all remaining optional tasks. Review app, Twitter, Reddit. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in their official Discord channel right here. Okay, I clicked that in here. This main URL, I'm gonna put it down below in the video description, so you can come straight to this site and then click in here in case you have a further questions to ask about this bounty program. These are 14 ways to enter. Okay, there are 9 available, but once that you unlocked, you're gonna actually get access to these 5. The first one is that you gotta visit this page to enter. Okay, you gotta put your name, email, and the TRC20 wallet address, so in case you win, they deposit your money there. You gotta follow at Tagspace CO on Twitter, self-explanatory. It give you 1 point entry for each. Then you gotta retweet this message at Tagspace Co on Twitter. Retweet it right there. Simple. Another point. Join on Discord, which is the one that you're gonna be able to get access in case you have any questions or concerns. You gotta join Telegram, self-explanatory. Another point for those. Follow on Instagram, self-explanatory. Subscribe on YouTube, no say more. Follow on Facebook and follow on LinkedIn. Once that you complete these 9 steps, these 5 more will unlock, and then you follow the same way. Okay, all right, gonna leave it up to this point. I just wanted to keep it plain and simple. The Tagspace bounty campaign is still open for any one of you who want to participate and add more USD tether in your wallet, in your portfolio, which is the goal of this channel. So you build your portfolio strong and for free, which is safe. It's not gonna get you in trouble with your savings or anything. You won't be a victim of Lunar like it happened to the investor and Lunar tokens. This is free, safe, straightforward. It's smart investing. Good luck. I'll see you on the next video because it's gonna be another one. 3 videos a day. This is the way we're rolling, baby. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for the attention.